England is set to run short of water within 25 years, with the UK government even publishing a national framework to reduce personal water usage. Students are one of the worst cases, needing to reduce their usage by half. For a famously damp country, the future is looking much drier than we might imagine.
That's why we at Lylo developed a portable washing machine for students that reuses filtered shower water to wash clothes. The device includes a removable water tank that can be placed on the shower floor like a mat. Once the tank is returned to the base, the water is filtered and used in the laundry process.
We've been making considerable progress with Lylo over the past year, winning awards, gaining traction, and even featuring in a Forbes article.
During our time on the CRL Accelerator, we've been developing the business by conducting market research and building a proof of principle prototype.
So let's see our rig in action. Starting with a shower. We built a tank prototype that's able to be filled in just 2 minutes. From there, we're able to filter the water, making it suitable for cleaning clothes. The product then washes the clothes in only 15 minutes, using the filtered water.
The outcomes of this washing test shows our product to wash just as well as a commercial washing machine, and in only a third of the time. We've been analysing our filtered water to ensure that it's safe by testing its pH and sulfate levels at various stages throughout the laundry process.
Our development will continue, working toward an MVP by the end of 2022. We plan to begin manufacture by 2023, and we need your help to do it.
We're looking for investors, manufacturers and partners who are just as passionate about saving water as we are and want to help make our concept a reality.
Lylo, clean clothes, clean conscience.